This is the problem. The fit is so loose that to get this to turn on, I have to push it forward. But then you basically would have to lean it up against something like this. I can't imagine. This is just for a little power source. I can't imagine trying to use this in a tool that you're like reciprocating saw or you know, anything that is not completely still, because as soon as you move it, it's so loose, it just disconnects. Yeah, so I can't say that I recommend this at all. Matter of fact, I'll be returning it for sure. Oh, sorry, wrong one here. Just so loose that the tolerance isn't good enough. So here's a real Ryobi battery. This is a real Milwaukee, not generic. It's a real Ryobi. This is how it fits. That fits tight, and you know that's actually not the problem. On the adapter, does fit tight. There's no rattling. You're hearing this thing flop around. There's no rattling. Which is weird because they were able to make the connection with the Ryobi battery perfect. Right? Like this part is perfect. But obviously this part, I mean, that's terrible. So, you know, I don't know. They need to work on it.